Hello, welcome again. We are solving some questions of production engineering or manufacturing science. The topic is metal cutting. Question number 68 and 69 is 69 carries a common statement. The statement is in the feed drive of a point to point open loop CNC drive, a stepper motor rotating at 200 steps per revolution drives a table through a gearbox and lead screw nut mechanism. Pitch is 4 mm, number of starts 1 and the gear ratio output rotational speed divided by input rotational speed is given by U is equal to 1 by 4. The stepper motor driven by voltage pulses from the pulse generator execute one step per pulse of pulse generator. The frequency of the pulse train from pulse generator is F is equal to 10,000 pulse per minute. So this is your pulse generator, this is stepper motor, this is gearbox, and this is nut, this is table, and so question number 68, the basic length unit BLU, that is the table movement corresponding to one pulse of the pulse generator is option A 0.5 microns, option B 5 microns, option B C 50 microns, and option D 500 microns. Question number 69. A customer, sorry, a customer insists on modification to pitch to change the BLU of the CNC drive to 10 micron without changing the table speed. The modification can be accomplished by option A changing U to 1 by 2 and reducing F to F by 2. Option B changing U to 1 by 8 and keeping F unchanged. Option C changing U to 1 by 2 and keeping F unchanged. Option D keeping U unchanged and increasing F to 2F. So first of all we have to calculate the basic length unit in question number 68. So here here pitch is given as 4 mm. Okay, so as pitch is given as 4 mm, so nut will rotate one revolution for 4 mm movement of table. Okay, so nut revolution is 1 for 4 mm pitch of 4 mm movement of table. So as gear ratio is given as 1 by 4, so as if the rotation of nut is your 1, then the rotation of stepper motor will be your 4. Okay, or for one revolution of nut input speed at the gearbox will be 4. Okay, so stepper meter is rotating at as stepper motor is given pulses 200 steps 200 steps per revolution. Okay, so as there are 4 revolution of stepper motor for one revolution of nut, so number of steps or pulses for stepper motor are 4 into 200, that is 800 pulses, or for one revolution of nut there are 800 pulses of stepper motor, or we can say for 4 revolution of stepper motor the table moves by 4 mm, or the pitch is 4 mm. Okay, and for 800 pulses, or we can say for 800 pulses, because in 4 revolution there are 800 pulses, so for 800 pulses of stepper motor the table movement or pitch is 4 mm. Okay, so the movement of table is 4 mm and pulses are 800. So the basic length unit is movement of table divided by 8 by number of pulses, so that is 4 by 800. So it will be 1 by 200, or 1 by 200, or in micron it is in mm per pulse, or in micron it will be 1 by 200 and 10 by 3 micron pulse, or 5 micron pulse. So basic length unit will be 5 micron pulse. Okay, so question number answer to question number 68 is option B. Now, now it is desired to change the BLU, BLU of CNC drive to 10 micron without changing the table speed. So modification which can be done. Now BLU is changed to 10 micron per pulse. Okay, so it means BLU is what? The movement of table divided by number of pulses. So movement of table is 4 and number of pulses will be your 400 by this 4 by x is equal to 10 micron, or it will be 4 or 10 micron means 10 into 10 to the power minus 3 mm. So moment so number of pulses will be 400. Okay, now now there are 400 pulses, and for 400 pulses the revolution of the input shaft is 400 by, because for input shaft there is 200 pulses for one revolution. So revolution of the uh, revolution of the input shaft will be 400 by 200, that is 2. It means the for 400 pulses the revolution of input shaft is 2. Okay, and for 4 movement of nut the revolution of the nut is 1, because it is pitch. So gear ratio is now 1 by 2, because there are 2 revolution of input shaft and 1 revolution of nut or output shaft. So gear ratio is 1 by 2, and if we change the gear ratio to 1 by 2, then we can get same speed. Okay. So if we change the gear ratio to 1 by 2 and keeping the F unchanged, we can get same speed. So answer is option C, because for the same revolution of input shaft we get the same speed. So answer is your C.